Same board, REC.
No.
All right. So, your assignment today in stocks, as I have hired you guys. All right. You are now my stock analysts. Since they've changed my job, and I went from a profession where I had some money and I could pay real people to making me a teacher. No offense, I have no money. So guess what? I can't hire people anymore. But guess who I can hire? You guys, and you guys get paid the exact amount that you should for this job. How much you get paid?
$10.50.
You wish.
An hour.
0. So you got a new homework assignment today. Yeah. And I expect results. I have hired you to analyze a company. All right? You are going to analyze one company on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ for me. It is a company that you do not own currently. All right? It has to be a company that you do not own. So say you own Walmart because you like them. You may not analyze them. Say you own Hormel. You may not analyze them. All right? In a couple days, I will give you an analysis on Hormel. You may not pick them, so you can see what this looks like. All right?
I'm going to pick them.
You're going to pick them? They're good company. All right? You will use metrics. Metrics means numbers. You will give me why they're a good company. If they're a buy, sell, or hold, that's what analysts tell you. Whether you should buy the company, sell it if you have it, or just hold on to it if you have it. And it will be based on numbers. And what does Mr. Anderson want?
Money.
Money. I want to make money. Lots and lots of money. I want enough money to fill my bathtub and roll around in it. So your job is to decide if this company that you pick off the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange that you do not own in your Excel portfolio is a good company. Stuff like sales, growth, profit to earnings. If I invest my $20 in a stock today, is it going to be $40 in 10 years? Or 2 years? Or 3 years? All right, I want real numbers. This is the type of assignment that you start to feel like, yeah, I can knock out in a session. I'm going to schedule at least 3 lab sessions for you to work on this. All right, you got to understand the products they make, what they do. If I ask you any questions about this company, you should be able to answer it, not only about what they do, what they make, but what their hopes and dreams are for profits, sales, and losses. All right? That is your assignment. I name the assignment, bring home the bacon. Because I love bacon, and I want to buy lots of it. All right? You will not have to do it as a presentation in front of the class. We will circle the desks, and you will discuss, and I will grill you about your company in early May. About what? Yeah, just like I did when I hire a real analyst. I sit down across the desk from them, and I ask them questions because...
What kind of questions?
What kind of questions? Like, why should I invest my money? What is their sales projections? You know, are they expected to grow? Is their dividend going to be bigger or smaller in 5 years? This is all on the internet too, guys. It can all be found. All right? This is not an easy assignment. It's no fun. I'll give you those 2 facts right away so you can start griping about it today. All right? But you will, and you can pick any company you want as long as you don't own them now. All right? And you will research them, and again, present to me why I would buy it. All right? Buy, sell, and hold are your 3 things. Is it a good company to buy, sell, or hold? Okay? Congratulations. You have all become stock analysts. All right?
I'm only doing it if you pay us.
Tell you what. Don't worry. And again, the real assignment to this is when you go out there, maybe none of you will become stock analysts, right? The example I'll give is Kyle Shelton came in, right? He did this assignment. He actually became a stock analyst. But all of you will own portfolios, most likely, where you'll have to buy mutual funds or stocks, right? And you'll trust some fool who says they're a stock analyst. And the question is that fool a fool or a good person? And unless you've done this one time in your life to understand what it takes, it's hard to tell, all right?
Can you question the guy that does it before you have him do it?
Yeah. I interviewed the guys I hired.
Where's that company at around here?
It's not around here. The guy I have is in Minneapolis. His name is John Edwards.
You drove to Minneapolis?
I drive to Minneapolis for my stock advice once a year.
Once a year?
I meet him face to face once a year, and I talk to him on the phone 4 times a year.
I'm going to drive to New York.
Because listen, you got to find the guy that's right for you. All right, I believe that too. But fortunately, I have 15 people here, and many classes of students who are right for me. And I'm not going to lie, I have bought stocks based on what gets presented to me. So amaze me, because my tax return is coming, and it's time to invest. All right?